Hello, welcome to 121 Kingston Street. We are just outside the building. This is a renovated top floor flat. There is a garden apartment downstairs which shares a beautiful yard, but it's a very quiet building in a very quiet street in a fantastic location. Okay, so let's step inside. You have a nice spiral staircase here. You walk in, to the left is a nice south-facing living room. Beautiful fixtures, hardwood floors throughout, tons of natural light, nice built-in bookcase, arched doorways. And here's peeking outside the window. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. This is a finished attic space. And there are 2 rooms up here. You walk in and there's a nice little bonus area here that could be an office. Take a look at this space. 2 skylights. There's a closet, tons of windows. A-frame ceilings and spectacular views of the city. Okay, walking through this little open area here, which would be a great little office. Here is another room here. This one faces the street, but very, very quiet. As you can see, not a lot of cars or foot traffic. There's a little closet here as well. That could be a converted bedroom or a home office. So lots of bonus rooms in this unit. Okay, so here is another bedroom. You have a stand-up armoire. Views of pretty gardens here. Located off the street. Here's another bedroom. This bedroom has direct access to a full bathroom here. You have a tub and shower combined. Nice medicine cabinet, window, toilet. And here's the kitchen. Nice open space here. Plenty of room for a kitchen island. You can also fit a little dining table here. You have a gas range, hood, beautiful butcher block counters, lots of cabinet and counter space. There's your dishwasher. And there's a peek out the window there. Combination of closed and glass cabinet doors. And this over here is another room here. There's a skylight. It's just off the kitchen. There is a closet here. So opportunity to convert this either to a couple of additional bedrooms or home offices for those of you who are still working from home. Okay, so private stackable laundry machines in your back porch. There's also a bonus bathroom here. So you have a tub and shower combined, Lots of storage space, toilet, windows so it's nice and bright and it's very private as well. Huge shower head and direct access to a private deck. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.